are considering project basis and ongoing projects, for advance order to avail around 30% lower than market price. Never lose your chance to choose from our wide array of designs by contacting us. Sa mga taga Pampanga at kalapit lugar ng Pampanga, we have a good news for you. Because DSLV Artstone has a branch located in 173 Bicol Road, Barangay San Jose, Magalang, Pampanga. Tara na at samahan niyo akong tingnan ang aming branch sa Pampanga. Please keep on watching. Kung hanap nyo ay pinakamurang sintered stones, marble, artificial marble, quartz at porcelain tiles, DSLV Artstone got your back. You can achieve your dream home sa pinakamurang halaga. Maraming disenyo ang pwedeng pagpilian, kaya tara na at pagtulungan natin makamit ang iyong pinakamimiting bahay. For the information of everybody, we have a specialty on house residential finishing. You can also get around 30% lower than market price. Kaya sa may mga balak magpagawa ng bahay, this is your chance para mag-advance order to get the discount that we have.